10th Standard Social Science 1 mark questions. Sociology Unit 2 Labor. Who wrote The Republic? Plato. What did Plato say about the division of labor? Human society is formed on natural inequalities. This natural inequality is based on division of labor. Who said human society is formed on natural inequalities? This natural inequality is based on division of labor. Plato. Who said division of labor creates less skilled workers? Karl Marx. Who opined that the division of economic labor goes with the technical and people's cooperation? Karl Marx. What does specialization create? Specialization creates division of labor. What is specialization? Specialization means having deeper knowledge and in-depth skill in one particular field. What is labor? Labor means earning in cash or kind by providing one's manual or intellectual labor. What is labor without pay? If work is done without payment, either in cash or kind, then it is called as labor without pay. What is labor with pay? The labor which gets compensation based on hours, days, or months for semi-skilled or skilled work is considered as labor with pay. What is organized sector of work? The sector which is enrolled as per the law of the government and provided fixed wages, facilities within the framework of law is called organized sector. What is unorganized sector of work? The unorganized sector of work is that sector where legal provisions do not completely govern. In which book a study of circular migration is done? Footloosers. Which book studies the labor of people working in unorganized sector? Footloosers. When was Minimum Wages Act passed? 1971. Which sector promotes child labor? Unorganized sector. Give example for organized sector of work. School, hospital, industries, government related services, commercial banks, life insurance companies, military, etc. are the example for organized sector of work. Give example for unorganized sector of work. construction workers, loading and unloading workers, brick kiln workers, landless laborers, small and marginal farmers, fishermen, beedi workers, mine workers.